Hi students, welcome to matrix classes. Today we'll discuss some more problems in exponents and powers. Let us see the first question for today. It is given a power x is b, b power y is c, c power z is a. Then what is x, y, z? I will take b power y equal to c. Now, in the first one, they have given b is equal to a power x. I will use this. I will write b as a power x whole power y equal to c. So, from this, a power xy will be equal to c. Now, in the next equation, a is given as c to the power of z. So, I can use that. I can write a as c power z whole power xy equal to c. So, from this, c power xyz will be equal to c to the power of 1. So, I can write xyz will be equal to 1 as the bases are equal. So, the answer is 1. Now, let's go to the next question. Here, a is given as 2 power x and b is given as 4 to the power of y and c is given as 8 to the power of z. So, b I will write 4 power y, that means I can write it as 2 square whole to the power of y, which is 2 to the power of 2y. C is 8 to the power of z, that is 2 cube whole power z, which is equal to 2 to the power of 3z. Now, a power yz into b power zx into c power xy is given as 4 to the power of 6. So, I will write a as 2 power x whole power y, b as 2 power 2y whole power zx, c as 2 power 3z whole power xy is equals to 2 square whole to the power of 6. So, in the next step, by using a power m whole power n equal to a power mn, I can write this as 2 to the power of xyz into 2 to the power of 2xyz into 2 to the power of 3xyz equal to 2 to the power of 12. That means 2 to the power of 6xyz will be equal to 2 to the power of 12. So, as the bases are equal, I can write 6xyz equal to 12 and xyz will be equal to 2. So what's the right answer? Second one. Now let us take next question. See this. What is given to us? A power m into a power n is given as a to the power of mn. So from this, the next step, I can write a power m plus n equal to a to the power of mn. As the bases are equal, I can write from here, I can write m plus n equal to mn. So keep this aside. We'll see next one. What is given? What you are supposed to find? M into n minus 2 plus n into m minus 2. So it is mn minus 2m mn minus 2n. So it's nothing but 2mn minus 2 of m plus n. So this one you can write 2mn minus 2 of this m plus n. In this place of m plus n, I can use mn. So it becomes 0. So the right answer is 1. Look at the next question. So they have given 4 power x equal to 2 power y equal to t. And the t lies between 1000 and 2000. So first I will take 1000 less than 4 power x less than 2000. So let us see what value of x will satisfy this. Suppose if you take 4 to the power of 4, it is 256, and 4 to the power of 5 is 1024, and 4 to the power of 6 is 4 power 5 into 4, which is 4 times 1024. You can see it is 4096. So this is greater than 2000 and this is less than 1000. So the only option which satisfies the given condition is 4 to the power of 5. So I can write 1000 is less than 4 power 5 is less than 2000. So from this discussion I can write x is equals to 5. Now the next one, 1000 less than 2 power y less than 2000. So 2 power 9, you can see 512, and 2 power 10 is 1024, and 2 power 11 is 1024 into 2. So that is 2048, so which is greater than 2000. So this is the only option which satisfies the given condition. So 1000 is less than 2 power 10 is less than 2000. So y must be equal to 10. Now, what you are supposed to find? X minus y. So it is 5 minus 10. That's nothing but minus 5. So option 3. Now let us go to the next question. Now look at this. It is given as 1000 power a is 0.01. So I can write this as 10 power 3 whole power a is 10 to the power of minus 2. So I can write 10 power 3a is 10 to the power of minus 2. So from this 3a will be equal to minus 2 and a is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now they have given b is the additive inverse of a. B is additive inverse of a. So b can be written as 2 by 3. As b is the additive inverse of a and a value is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, b can be written as 2 by 3. Now what you are supposed to find? 8 by 27 whole to the power of minus b plus b power minus 2 into 2b. So in the next step, I will write this as 27 by 8 whole power b plus b power minus 2 can be written as 1 by b square into 2b. So which is equal to 3 by 2 whole cube whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus 2b by b square. So this can be written as 3 by 2 whole power a power m whole power n. If we multiply 3 and 2 by 3, you will get 2 plus 2 by b. So which can be written as 9 by 4 plus 2 by 1 by 2 by 3. So which is equal to 9 by 4 plus 3. So if you simplify this 4 if you multiply here it will 12. 12 plus 9, 21 by 4. So what is the right answer? It's number 4, 21 by 4. Now let us go to the next question. See this. A is given as 8, B is given as 1. Then what is the value of this expression? Suppose if I take this 2 minus a by b whole to the power of minus 1 by 3 by cube root of a minus cube root of b whole cube is there. So we can write this as the next step. Here you have multiplication with a square. Now in the next step I can write this as 2 minus b by a whole power minus 1 by 3. I can write b by a whole power 1 by 3 into a square by I can write cube root of a minus cube root of b whole cube. Now I will substitute a as 8 and b as 1. So which will give you 2 minus 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3 into a square. What is a square? 64 by cube root of 8 minus cube root of 1 whole cube. Now it is 2 minus 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3. That means cube root of 1 by 8. It can be written as 1 by 2 into 64 by cube root of 8 is 2 minus 1 whole cube. So which one? You can write 2 minus 1 by 2 into 64 by 1 cube. So 2 minus 1 will become 1. So it is 1 cube. So if you multiply this, 2 into 64, 128 minus 1 by 2 into 64, that becomes 32. So which is equal to 96. So the option is 2. Okay students, we'll stop here. In the next class, we'll discuss some more problems. Okay, thank you.